What's goody, y'all? Kings, queens, beautiful people. So jumping right on in, y'all. As you can see from the last time I did this, the roots, they hanging on in there. They nice and intact. It's really just this crown area and my perimeter that, I gotta get back together. But we gonna get them right today. You feel what I'm saying? So today, instead of just wrapping the new growth around, I'm gonna do a little bit more. This is one of the methods that I have in another video, but I'm kind of combining videos today. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take that new growth, split it in two, and start braiding it. It might look like I'm doing it tight, but I'm really just solidifying the base a little tighter, and then I loosely braid it up. And I'm twisting it up right here, but sometimes when I want it to like really be in there, I'll braid it. But today we just gonna twist it up, y'all. So you want to take a 0.75. When it's got that little wood tip, the little hooks at the end of the crochet hooks are a little thicker. So that right there is a 0.75. The buoyed ones that you'll see me using sometimes without a wood base, they smaller. But anyway, the ones that I'm going to post in the description box, y'all, is going to be the wood base ones. So you're going to want a 0.75. And then this right here, you're going to want to use like a 0.5, or you could use a 0.75. I just found that the 0.5 glides more seamlessly. It helps you to mesh everything together better. So I know that was a little fast. I'm going to have another one for y'all in a bit that's a little slower and shows you a little more in depth. And you see how it's sticking up like that, y'all? Because whatever way that you're crocheting, that's how your lock is going to lay. So sometimes I'll just like lay it the way I want, like I just did there, and then crochet it in that direction. You feel me? So this is a little bit slower, close up. And once again, don't do this wrap around too tight. You don't want any indents in the future. So we just gonna wrap that loose hair around my 0.75 millimeter crochet hook. And you want the 0.75 once again because it's thicker and it'll hold on to that hair and help you pull it through. And you just want to keep doing that until you don't see the hair anymore. Wrapping it around, you saw that little hook, and then boom, slide that thing through, and then voila. And then take your 0.5 millimeter, seamlessly get it right. You feel me? Get it right, get it right, get it tight. No beat. So yeah, sometimes I brush out what I don't want, because I don't want no bald head look. You feel me? Because I got that little M hairline. Yeah. Real quick, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that little like button down there. Appreciate you. So I'm just gonna zoom right through the next couple ones, but these were some of my trouble areas, y'all. And when you see the 4-month update, bro, doing this, coming back and hitting it one more time with these reinforcements, it really got my roots right, yo. My roots are thick again. They growing with my locks again. I'm so happy I took the time to do both of these, but really this one for my perimeter and for the crown of my head. And that's that buoyed hook again, but the ones that I'm going to be posting below are going to be the wood tipped crochet hooks, because those are the ones that are easier to work with. But if you have these buoyed ones, like the hook part, it doesn't bend, it doesn't break, they're very durable. But a hack that you can do if you have these little steel, see, that's the wood tip one, and then the one I showed before was the buoyed one. So a little hack that you can do for these like full metal crochet hooks, if that's the ones that you're using, just put a little paper towel at the end or a tissue, something to just ensure that you're not going to be slipping around. Because sometimes when you're doing this, your hands might get sweaty, you might have oil on your hands, whatever product. Just put your little paper towel or something at the end, and then work that way, as you see me doing here. And that's me just taking out some extra hair, because you see this East African hairline of mine. Y'all see that? Y'all see that little M hairline? But hey, it's how God made me. I love every bit of it. Just love yourself, y'all. It's a beautiful place to be. So I'm about to handle this crown edge area now, y'all. Snap. And I know it's giving scalpage right now, you feel what I'm saying? But stay tuned to the end, y'all. When y'all see the 4-month update, everything gonna come full circle and you gonna have your aha moment with me. You feel what I'm saying? Trust the process. So if you're wondering like, oh, is it always gonna be scalpy like this? No. A couple washes, once your hair starts growing, you feel what I'm saying? Everything comes together, you feel me? If you don't like the retwist look, you'll get that fullness back. If you do like the retwist look, well, voila. There you go, babe. So the only thing I don't like about doing that is it takes away some of my volume because I don't like the retwist look, but it's so worth it to me to make sure that the foundation of my lock is intact and it feels so strong, like just feeling them. Plus, as you wash your hair, you know, you'll get that volume back. So this is 4 months later, and like I told y'all, look how lovely it looks. I'm so in love, you feel what I'm saying? And I might have like slight little indents in there, but one, I have a video on how to take that out, so I know how to take it out. And then two, to me it was worth to do a little tighter this second time around so that it would not come out, so my roots wouldn't come out when I washed my hair. Y'all, I finally found the right blue sprinkles that I wanted for my hair, and a video on this coming soon. I'm so excited. Look how pretty. Look. Check out this video right here to see how I did a full head crochet retwist. So if you have roots that grow away from your locks and you want a semi-freeform, there are options. And especially if you let it go a little too long like I did. But in the meantime, between time, y'all be well, y'all be love out there to the world, and y'all be blessed. Peace.